Mentah Kasngi nakaliang jong ngi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association hadin ka jing sngap man jong ka sorkar jela halor ki artli ki mat jing dawa jongi ka Banongkong ban pelai ya ketulop padang sa jongi san banai kata jong banai February and March jong ka financial year jong ka last financial year 2021-22 nang ta jong current financial year 2022-23 jong banai April, May and June kabaar kaba nakaliang jungi ngi dawa ban penkiu lani enhance ya ketulop jungi kinohikai SSA kumbala omentan hadin baka ngimyo kanu ka respon nakaliang jong ka state government benta kasngi ngila yolat ban yikindo yi honorable governor ban pensngeu hai yakini ki artli kimat jing dawa jungi ban ngila kerpat ro yi ban nakaliang jong i ba in tuklar lem hakpai dei bat kane kabenta nang bangi nakalian jungi pinoh kasi in yo ela ka jong hok ya ka jing ya kren jungi badi honorable governor hang tu hi hakmat jungi ila phone you honorable chief minister Conrad K Sangma but ila kli na iba ka ai mo nakaliang jopi ka state government pilale ka bai dei bat kani ka issue jung kini kinoh kai SE ki bala don menta hang ni capital city ban protest mentala south ni limit te nakaliang jong i honorable governor ila tha yung honorable chief minister Sir Conrad K Sangma bamari po shilong uday ban address no ya kane ka issue but ban settle once for all kata kalong ka ka ba nakaliang jong i honorable governor ila pensngeu hangi ya ka ba ila kren ba i honorable chief minister ba ila penti pro yang nakaliang jong i governor ba i honorable governor ba i honorable chief minister kung pa kalong menta imdon hapo shilong idon sha po tura bat ila ong ba namnun la shai in sa wan pai momentan ban ila ong yi honorable chief minister ba mari po ha shilong idai ban address ya kani issue ban settle pon for all dai ka jing kno ka jing sishahi kaning ikrenya ka last financial year kata ka dai jong financial year arjar apuai apuar te hakpai dai bat ka last financial year nakaliang jong ka central government kala de pelai lut ya ka song pisa ka bakala ya ka commitment ban pelai syaka state Meghalaya TPE kata kepisa ke pelai naga government of India bat ka song pisa ke pelai pun brutrik jong upnai March jong mentau snem nakaliang jong ka state government ka kila pelai 3 crore ka badai ka additional fund ka baki hapan bon naka state ka kum ka capping norms jong ka samagra shiksha abhiyan na mentaban siu ya trop chengi kinon ka SSA tikani kapisa baro armo bapalai naga government of India bat naga government of Meghalaya kamdap pura ken ban siu ya trop chengi baro ka arbnai ka sudap sipo banai bat ka sateng sa ini arbnai tikadaw balai ba ini arbnai ka sateng kalong ba ka government of Meghalaya ka claim pelai lut ya tai additional amount badai ban siu na ka state budget ka bala kot sispa saw crore nakata ka sispa saw crore ka pelai tang 3 crore hak abdutrik jong upnai March arjar apuar bat kapat sa saw crore jin bakala pelai baro sispa saw crore ngin on face kanai ka problems kan ka pending service jong last financial year katulop jong ikanom sa jong na February and March hadre ngimtip na kai kadaw mo honorable chief minister Padon Brom jong Sir Conrad K Sangma who is in charge of the finance thara utip khamha nakai kadaw ba upat sa ya kanai kapisa saw crore kabadai ban pelai syapo education department na kabentaban siu ya katulop jong na February and March ni badulat mo isyum ba kajing kendo jong badulat kalong positif hadai wat la kataru ngindang syong bayang ting ngindang continue ya kadharna ngin update adu banakaliang jong UCM unsim initiative aga bayade bat kanika jingdawa jong